And in this video, I'm just going to go over and show you some of the things I've been doing, like sort of over Christmas and stuff. I've had a lot of questions about people asking about subdirectories and can we build sites on subdirectories and things like that. Personally, I've never really done it because when you do searches and stuff like that, you never really see subdirectories ranking, or I never see any subdirectories ranking, unless there's things like sort of Tumblrs and all the high Web 2.0 properties. I've never really noticed many subdirectories ranking, so it's not something I've done. However, because I've had these questions and I've had like this appliance repair directory.com for ages and done nothing with it really, apart from put a brand jacker site on when we were playing with them, I thought I'd give it a go. So what I've done is I've put together about 19, I think it is, 20 subdirectory sites on here, all for appliance repair. Got pest control Florida and pest control in there. But basically, so it's, yeah, 20 of these sites have gone up. Subdirectories, and they're all basically all for appliance repair. Now, if you have a look at them, they're all using the web themes, like sort of the local 3 local theme builder. They've all got that on. It'll pop up there. And then they've got, obviously, they've just used the local content engine to build everything out. Got the links in, got the content on, and everything like that. You've got your blurb at the bottom and this bit here. So that's basically what I've been doing. Like I said, I've done about 20 of them. If we have a look here, this is the Google Analytics. So I set this up when I did the brand jacker site. And this is how it's doing at the moment, because this is the actual main domain appliance repair directory. So it's getting some hits coming in. Like I say, there's nothing being done apart from putting the brand jacker site on. This is just SEO overview, just shows what's going on. Keywords, not really doing a lot because it's all, like I say, Alex's appliance repair, Alex appliance repair. I think the actual site is based in Las Vegas, if I remember rightly. Let's have a look. I think it's in Las Vegas. No, Los Angeles. It's based around Los Angeles. So basically that's what it looks like. And we've got all of these different, and there's Alex's there. That was the old brand jacker site, what I did. Like I say, what I've done is I've used local content engine to build all of these sites out now. And let's have a look. They've just been put up not that long. Some of them have actually got impressions, some of them haven't. I think I put them up on Search Console 2 or 3 days ago, something like that. So got here, got refrigerator repair Parkland. Should be on page 3. So let's zoom in a little bit so make it easier. Oops, bit far. Go into there. So we're looking for appliance repair directory. And 3. I missed it. Oh. And there we are there. Boca Raton appliance repair directory.com Parkland. Appliance repair services in Parkland. As you can see, just the same sort of stuff. But it's on page, well, it's on page 4. Now it says there's 0 searches a month for this one. However, this has had 2 impressions and it's only been up a few days. Does it say on this one? Yeah, 5 days ago. And it's had 2 impressions. So obviously there is searches for it because that's what Google's telling us. So Boynton Beach, Cape Coral, Clearwater, Coral Springs, obviously that's a bit further. Delray Beach, Miramar, Fort Myers, Gainesville. So that's up at page 5. Jupiter. So this is on page 3 again, Riviera Beach. And we're here on page 3. Again, as it says, it's got 0 search volume. But it's had 3 impressions, which basically means there's 3 searches being done for that in the last. This one say? Where's it gone? Oh, this one doesn't say how long it's been up. They've all been up about the same time. All been up about 5 days. Lakeland. Again, there's another one, Varico. Miami. Palm Coast. Port Charlotte. Sarasota. Augustine. Petersburg. And Seattle. And Tacoma. Okay, so there's no more others, but as you can see, we are getting rankings coming off them, and they've only been up 5 days. Now, obviously, moving forward, I can start looking at these ones, especially like the ones what are ranking, like this one. Okay, it's appliance repair service in Riviera Beach. Now, I might decide and say, right, okay, refrigerator repair Riviera Beach is getting a lot of searches. So I might put more actual content on the page for refrigerator, or make this more like appliance repair services in Riviera Beach, and then at the end change the meta title to include refrigerator repair, which would obviously help it to push up. The same with changing the meta description. So these are things what I would look at. These are things what I do. And of course, the other thing what you can do is you can use each one of these as a link to the ones what's ranking. So if I get, say, 3 or 4 of these which are ranking well, which like Boca Raton, that one is doing okay. Was it Gainesville? I think was doing okay. So Boca Raton and Gainesville are doing okay. Now, once I get these others indexed, I can think, like, okay, I'm going to link Fort Myers to my Gainesville one and give it a boost. So you can do things like that. Obviously, we can also add content onto the pages. So instead of just having appliance, oh, that's me other one. Instead of just having the actual home pages and the other pages, like this one, which is going to go to Wearsdale. So instead of just having these, I could actually create a page for dryer repair, a page for oven repair, a page for dishwasher repair, microwave repair. It all depends on what's ranking and what I want to build up. And then we've got things like sort of, the dynamic backlink builder in Magic Page plugin. We can build cloud links to it. We can build PBN links to it. And obviously you can do citations and you can do social properties. Just like any other site, they do need work on them to get them to rank. They're not just going to rank just because you put them up. That never happens. But it looks like I possibly could have been mistaken in the past by not building out subdomain sites, but we shall see. We'll see what happens. I will have a play with some of these and put some other stuff on. Like I will change the actual on-page SEO for them, and I'll maybe add some more pages to them and things like that. But anytime I do anything like that, I will create a video and let you guys know. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure to subscribe because I have a lot more videos that I want to make and stuff like that. If the video was useful, then feel free to leave a comment, let us know what was useful. If you've got any other videos that you'd like us to make, then leave a comment. That helps the channel, plus it lets me know you enjoyed it. So therefore, I'm going to make more videos for you guys. Catch you on the next video, guys. Bye.